Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
For many spots across North Alabama, the rain has been winding down. Farther toward the east, it's not the case. It's still raining steadily in some spots, and we're also seeing pockets of heavier rain in parts of Jackson County, DeKalb County. And as we go through the rest of tonight, we don't lose this rain chance because you can see some new thunderstorms are coming out of northeast Mississippi. They're heading our way as well. So all across the Wave 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, it has been a very busy Wednesday evening. Here's some of the thunderstorms I was tracking for you earlier. They're getting ready to cross the state line here into western Colbert County, around Iuka and Tishomingo, reaching Cherokee and Waterloo here in the next few minutes. For the most part, though, it looks like those storms, because they're tracking from southwest to northeast, they are going to be staying just out of the Florence and Muscle Shoals area. Back farther toward the east, just right around our Gunnersville radar site. This is where we're pulling data from currently. And you'll see that we've got some steadier, more moderate rain here just east of Arab. It's west of Gunnersville. That's going to continue to track again from the southwest toward the northeast, looking farther north here right along the Madison and Jackson County line, as well as Marshall County line, Poplar Ridge, Woodville, all along 72. It's a wet drive there between Huntsville and Scottsboro. And the view from Decatur, fairly quiet right now. Same thing goes right around the Muscle Shoals radar, but that minute by minute data, not a lot of widespread activity, but a spotty shower or a spotty downpour certainly still in the cards here, even in locations where it's fairly quiet right now. But look even farther toward the west, paralleling I-40 right there, you'll see some new storm development, and all of that will slowly but surely keep edging eastward as the night progresses. So here's a little bit of a rundown of how much rain we've seen so far today. One thing I want you to keep in mind here is that for spots like Fort Payne, it's continuing to rain. So that's not your final total for today because we've only seen 0.03 of an inch in spots like Fort Payne. But Huntsville and Decatur, about 1.5 inches so far, just shy of that. Almost 2.5 inches in Muscle Shoals, about 1/10 there so far in Fayetteville. And for Scottsboro, we are over 1 inch already. And there's more measurable rain in the forecast kind of off and on through tonight, even into tomorrow. But right now, that's just a mostly cloudy sky in Huntsville. Wind out of the east-southeast at 7 miles per hour. We're at 67 degrees, and we really don't have much farther to drop when it comes to forecast lows tonight because that rain-cooled air really dropped those temperatures quickly earlier this evening. Through tonight, let's take you through midnight here. You'll see a lot of the rain farther east tries to fade a little bit, but we keep these scattered thunderstorms going. That's 3 a.m., that's 6:30. Now all the way to about lunchtime tomorrow. Notice what happens here farther east. As the cold front starts to come in, we get some new storm development here over Jackson, DeKalb, and really parts of Marshall County too. But then that finally shifts farther east and we'll be left with a stray shower here and there through tomorrow evening. But overall, it does quiet down as we get into Friday into Saturday. With tomorrow's storms, though, there's that chance for a strong to severe storm along and east of I-65. And that's kind of the opposite area. The area that was not included in that risk today will be included in that severe risk tomorrow. And it's the same thing. We're expecting strong wind, small hail, locally heavy rain and frequent lightning. Temperatures tomorrow still reaching at least the upper 70s. You'll see I've got your high there in the lower 80s for most of us, 82 degrees for Thursday, 40% chance of rain overall. Only an isolated storm expected on Friday. And as we head into the weekend, highs in the upper 80s. No rain chance for Saturday, but it's back for Sunday.